Now the next tool is the polar grid tool. Just click, hold and drag to draw the polar grid. Let's see how it reacts when drawn along with some keyboard keys pressed. As you drag the polar grid, press up or down arrow keys to increase or decrease the concentric dividers, that is, circles, and press left or right keys to increase or decrease the radial dividers, that is, the pi lines. Press X or C keys to increase or decrease the skew value of concentric circles, and press F or V keys to increase or decrease the skew value of radial dividers. Now, skew value means that the next circle or the radial divider will be bigger in size by certain percentage. For example, if skew is 50%, it means that the next circle or radial divider will be 50% bigger than the previous one. While dragging to draw the shape, if you want to change the location of the shape, press the space bar with your dragging mouse button still pressed and move the shape wherever you want. Press Shift key to draw a perfect equally proportioned circle. Remember, your Shift key should be released after you release the mouse button for making equally proportioned circle. Press the Alt key to draw a center outward polar grid, which means that the point from where we start dragging will become the center point of the polar grid. Press both Alt and Shift keys and then drag to draw a center outward grid with equal height and width. All these things can be done in a precise way through the dialog box, which is appeared when you just click once anywhere on the artboard. Let's discuss the options inside the dialog box. Width and height value will decide the width and height of the circle. Then you have the concentric dividers. Here you decide the desired number of circles, and this is the skew value slider. You can select the skew by sliding the slider, or you can also type the value in this box. Then you have radial dividers. Here you can decide the desired number of rows, and this is again the skew value slider. Then we have a checkbox with the option Create Compound Path from Ellipses. This option converts the concentric circles into separate compound paths and will fill every other circle with currently selected fill color. Let me show you how it works. I am ticking this option and click OK. Now this polar grid has compound paths within it. And if I choose any fill color and see what happens. It has converted concentric circles into separate paths and filled every next path with the fill color starting from the outermost path. Then we have fill grid. Unlike in other line segment tools, this option will fill the whole circle with currently selected fill color and not only the segments, like this. So this is how you can use this tool.